In this lesson, how to use Fibonacci retracements with Japanese candlesticks, the learning objective is you should understand Fibonacci candlesticks. When combining the Fibonacci retracement tool with candlestick patterns, you are mainly looking for exhaustive candlesticks. Exhaustion candlesticks are candlesticks that show the level of buying and selling pressure and reflect the indecision among traders as to whether to buy or sell. If you can tell when buying or selling pressure is exhausted, it can indicate when price may continue trending. They can also help you find reliable entry and exit points. Let me add the point that an example of an exhaustive candlestick could be a doji, a hammer, and things generally of that nature. Maybe a harami pattern as well. But there's loads of them. You can also use reversal candlestick patterns, but these are more relevant at the top of an uptrend or a bottom of a downtrend, or at a support and resistance levels, such as the Fibonacci levels. A reversal candlestick pattern at Fibonacci retracement levels signals that the price is likely to change direction. For additional confirmation, you can apply technical indicators such as RSI to determine if it's a good time to enter a trade or not. Generally, candlestick patterns combined with Fibonacci levels tend to work better on longer term timeframes. However, there's no reason to not use these for scalping or shorter term day trade setups. What's important is that you have a strong grasp of how these inflection points are used and what the candlestick patterns mean.